All right, let's work this out. Use a while loop to print every other character of string str. Let's do this. Int c equals 0 while c is less than str.length. System.out.println str.substring c comma c plus 1. That'll get a particular character. Now I'm going to say c plus equals 2. And let's test it. See if that works. Oh, I do want it to print on one line. So, and then after this is done, we'll do a println. Yeah, that worked. All right, and then I want you to use a for loop to print string str backwards on a single line. For int I equals str.length -1. I'm starting at the last character. I has to be greater than -1, and I minus minus. We're going down. System.out.print str.substring I comma I plus 1. Grabs a single character, and then we're printing a blank line when we're done. Should work. Yeah, that's backwards. Now use index sub and substring to print everything in string str starting with what follows the letter S and ending just before the exclamation point. System.out.println str.substring. Now we're going to start just after the letter S, so that would be str.index of S, right arrow twice, plus 1. So I don't want the S, I want what's after the S, and now we do a comma. And now we want to do everything before the exclamation point. So str.index of exclamation point. So I'm going to move this over so that it's not wrapped. Remember, substring goes all the way up to 1 less than the second number. So this ought to give us what we want. Should be tick. Guess probably helps to put a some semicolon on the end. There we go. Told you we could do it all in one line. And part 4, 15 random integers using math.random. They're all between 3 and 8, inclusive on a single line with a space between each number. So for int I equals 0, I less than 15, I plus plus, and system.out.print. I'm going to do int r equals int math.random times, and I'm asking for between 3 and 8. 8 minus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6, plus 3. That'll give us the right number. And then right here, we're going to print r plus a space. And then after the for loop, we print a new blank line. So that should do that. Looks good. I see 3, I see 8, I see numbers in between. Write the complete grasshopper class as detailed here. So I'm going to all right, grasshoppers. Let's see, where is the grasshopper class? I thought, oh, I guess I didn't put it here. Class grasshopper. Right there. Every grasshopper has a private int ID, private static int next ID equals, starts at 5. We're going to go by 1, and private int location. Public grasshopper. Takes no arguments. ID equals next ID plus plus. That's how we do that whole thing. And location equals 0. Okay. Grasshopper can hop. Public void hop, location plus plus, public void hop int n, location plus equals n, public string to string, return, and oh, we need to do some things before we return. So string temp equals ID. I think I asked for that, right? Or just the number sign. Number sign plus ID. Okay, that's the start. We're starting. And now we're going to do a for loop. Int I equals 0, I less than location, I plus plus, and temp plus equals the little caret symbol for each hop space they've hopped. And now we can return temp plus the emoji symbol, which we have to just go copy. The cricket emoji online is the closest I could find to a grasshopper. And let's run and make sure it doesn't crash. And then I asked you to create a grasshopper, print it, hop it using both methods, print it again, and then do a for loop. So we do that up here. Grasshopper g equals new grasshopper g dot system dot out dot println g. Make sure that works. And then g dot hop 10 and system dot out dot println g. So it's going to give us 11 spaces. Yep. Okay, and now a for loop that runs 25 times from 10 to 25. Each one's going to hop, and we're going to add up all the places they hopped. So int distance equals 0 for int I equals 0, I less than 25. That's going to go 25 times. And in here, we're going to say grasshopper h equals new grasshopper. And we're going to say int r equals int math.random times, I said 25 to 10. That's 25 minus 10 is 15 plus 1 is 16. Plus 10. H dot hop r. Distance plus equals r system dot out dot println h. I mean, another way to do this is h dot get location. I mean, that's what I was thinking you would do. We're going to print out all those grasshoppers and system dot println total distance hopped all together plus distance. That's going to be fun if it works. Did I forget to write the get location method? I did forget to write the get location method. Public int get location. Turn location. Well, I'm sure glad I did that. And there we go. These guys hopped a lot. And probably what I wanted was to also that as another instruction to print the grasshopper's location. So we should get 11, right? And then we printed that one. And notice the ID numbers all go up as we go along. We are good.